Hi, I'm Vibhor Jain, CEO of Atlanta Healthcare. Atlanta Healthcare is a company that's focusing on helping people breathe pure. Our endeavor is to ensure that each one of us, whether indoor or outdoor, is ready to breathe pure, and therefore we have various products which help you achieve that. We have a range of air purifiers, pollution masks, and a host of other products that we plan to launch in the market in the near future, which will all be focusing on helping you breathe pure. I've been in the public service delivery as a consultant for almost 14 years, focusing on large transformational projects with governments, whether advising them from tax reforms to implementation of the Aadhaar program or health sector reforms. When I was working on these initiatives, the impact that each of these initiatives created on over a billion population was immense. And that's when I felt that if that's the impact that each of these initiatives could, the most burning issue of the country today was health, and air pollution being a key contributor towards it. And that's where I felt, if something could be done around air pollution, and if we can scale it up to a national level, impacting everyone staying in India, it could be a great solution. And that's how my journey with Atlanta Healthcare started. India faces a challenge of extreme pollution conditions. And when I say that, what I mean is you have pollen, you have dust, you have chemicals, VOCs, bacteria, virus, and host of other pollutants which impact human health. Therefore, when you're looking at a solution, it cannot be in isolation and has to be a solution that can solve each of these problems to a great extent. Accordingly, when we introduce any product at Atlanta Healthcare, we make sure that we customize them to suit the Indian environmental conditions and are able to address each of the problems that I just highlighted. If you look at our air purifiers, we've developed something called an eye cluster technology, a technology that focuses on eradicating most of the pollutants I spoke about. It's virus, bacteria, pollen, VOCs, chemicals, and dust. Similarly, if you look at our Atlanta Healthcare Cambrish mask, that's based on UK defense technology, which kills bacteria and virus to almost up to 100% and can filter particulates to up to 0.3 micron. So the focus every time has been to get the best of technology which is suitable for the Indian environment, and the endeavor is to make sure that our customers breathe pure. The focus of Atlanta Healthcare is to help people breathe pure. Now, whatever it means, wherever you are 24/7, the focus of our journey is to ensure that you have products which can help and safeguard you across time zones, across day, across night, and wherever you are. So you have air purifiers which help you stay healthy and breathe pure indoors. You have pollution masks which can help you breathe pure outdoors. What we're now focusing on is next set of products which can help you monitor what you breathe. So you'll soon see a host of air quality monitors coming from Atlanta Healthcare. You would see air purifiers which can be used on the move. So you'll see a host of new products coming from Atlanta Healthcare as a company. In addition, what we felt was that the air quality data is something that can really help each one of us live a much better life. The other initiative that Atlanta Healthcare is focusing on is to see how we can analyze and use this data for improved living and connected living. So that's the other initiatives that Atlanta Healthcare is working on. So from a connected world perspective, while everyone is moving to connected homes, we feel that air quality is going to be an integral part of this particular drive. Pure air as a service is an initiative that Atlanta Healthcare is working on, which would mean that you not only know what you're breathing, but you also are pre-warned in terms of the quality of air that you're going to be exposed to over the next few days. And that's possible with IoT today. So what we're focusing on is coming up with products and devices which can not only let you know in advance in terms of the quality where you're breathing, but also forewarn you in terms of any extreme environmental conditions that you might get exposed to. Air pollution, as I said, is a big challenge the country is facing, and that's a challenge which is being faced by the entire population. The aim and objective of Atlanta Healthcare is to make sure that we as a country are able to breathe pure. And in that endeavor, while there are long-term initiatives we are working back with governments on to reduce pollution on one side, we also need to make sure that we as a community are able to breathe pure in the short term. And that's where Atlanta Health is trying to bridge the gap from short-term and long-term initiatives perspective. From a 5-year horizon perspective, I see Atlanta Healthcare transforming from a product company to a solutions company, where we'll be able to provide a host of solutions across businesses, customers who are facing challenges with respect to air quality. And that's where the focus is going to be. And our initiatives over the next 3 to 4 years will be to achieve that.